Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make apple jam crumble cake. It's very easy dessert using a lot of apple jam. Nothing Japanesey, but it's so easy and so good. So I just wanted to share. You ready? Let's get started. These are what you need. 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of sugar, 40 grams of almond powder, 160 grams of cake flour or all-purpose flour, 300 grams of apple jam or any jam of your choice. And this is totally optional, but if you like, some cinnamon powder. It's very easy to remember. 100, 100, 200 with these two, and 300. Let's prepare the mold first. So this is the mold I'm using today. It's 18 centimeter and 18 centimeter. Prepare parchment paper big enough to cover the mold. And mark 4 corners. Make slits to the mark. Fold it. Set in the mold. Into the bowl of flour, add almond powder, sugar, and some cinnamon powder. And whisk. No need to sift. Let's melt the butter using microwave. I did 50 seconds at 600 watts. Add the butter into the bowl. Using the whisk, let it absorb the butter. Try not to knead. Once it's well mixed, put half of it into the mold. Press it against the bottom of the mold. Try to make it even. Then spread the jam. Sprinkle the remaining dough. Gently press it so that they stay well. Then into the oven, 180 to 190 degrees Celsius. Baked for 40 minutes. And it's looking and smelling so good. Let's cool it down to room temperature. I left it for an hour. Let's cut and try. Itadakimasu. The crumble on top is so crispy, and the baked jam is almost chewy or fudgy, and it's so good. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!